How to connect Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed to Xbox Series X 2025 updated. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed to Xbox Series X. So first of all, as you should know that you can see the Razer Hyperspeed wireless dongle. From here, USB Type-C port, dongle indicator LED, and a USB Type A to Type C charging cable. And these are the products you'll get with your headphone. And for the connecting, you can connect via wired mode. You can connect the headset to any of the USB ports on your Xbox, and for that, on your PC, you have to set the Razer Blackshark V2HS USB as the default output and input device. And as you can see here, you just have to select the output and input device, and you can also connect your headphone through Razer Hyperspeed wireless mode. You can connect the wireless dongle to any of the USB port on your Xbox using the USB Type A to Type C cable, and you can press and hold the power button until the headset indicator LED briefly lights up. And you can also connect it via Bluetooth mode while powered on. You can press and hold the Razer smart switch or EQ button for 7 seconds to activate pairing mode. And you can activate Bluetooth on your device and select Razer Blackshark V2 HSBT from the list of devices found, and you have to wait until both devices are connected. The headset indicator LED will briefly show solid blue to indicate that the headset is now connected to your device. And that's it. That's how you can connect your Razer Blackshark V2 Hyperspeed to Xbox Series 5. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.